Hi, my name is Anthea Kgasanyane, and I joined this competition to sing and show you the talent that God has graced me with. I hope and I pray that I go to New York so that I fulfill my dream. And today I'm going to perform Grenade for You by Bruno Mars. Here we go. Easy come, easy go. That's just how you live. Yeah, take, but you never give. Should have known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open. Why were they open? I gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. But what you don't understand is I'll catch a grenade for you. Throw my head off a plane for you. Jump in front of a train for you. You know I'll do anything for you. Oh, I would go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight to my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby. But you won't do the same. Thank you.